SoFi's market performance has been quite interesting lately, and today we're going to break down the key factors that influenced its movement. From market fluctuations to institutional activities, we'll cover everything that impacted SoFi, including short positions and recent financial disclosures. Let's dive straight into it. Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. Today, SoFi stock experienced some volatility, fluctuating between a low of $15 and a high of $15.40 before settling with a 1.48% increase. The overall market gained positive momentum, mainly fueled by newly imposed tariffs. The implementation of a 25% tariff on aluminum and steel products played a significant role in pushing the market higher. However, this momentum tapered off as investors remained cautious ahead of key economic reports. With CPI data expected on Wednesday and Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell scheduled to speak both tomorrow and Wednesday, uncertainty loomed, causing fluctuations in the market. Despite these market-wide movements, there were no company-specific announcements from SoFi, such as SEC filings. However, an upcoming fireside chat scheduled for tomorrow at 1:50 p.m. Eastern could bring new insights. Investors are hoping for updates or hints from CEO Anthony Noto regarding the company's future strategies. If any significant details emerge, they could influence SoFi's stock movement. Institutional investors have been making notable moves. BlackRock, a major player in the financial market, has significantly increased its holdings not only in SoFi, but across various stocks. Their latest 13F filings, disclosed on February 7th, indicate that BlackRock increased its stake in SoFi by approximately 4.9%. This suggests growing confidence in SoFi's potential. Furthermore, institutional transactions have been abundant, with numerous new positions being added. A particularly notable transaction was a put option for 91,000 contracts. However, the company also saw an increase in common stock holdings by a staggering 101,000%, signaling bullish sentiment among institutional investors. Ownership data shows that institutions currently hold about 42.83% of SoFi's float, marking a roughly 5% quarter-over-quarter increase. This is a strong indicator that big investors are backing SoFi's growth. Moreover, an important development regarding SEC transparency rules has been unfolding. Traditionally, institutions have only been required to disclose long positions, leaving short positions hidden. The SEC had planned to introduce new rules to improve transparency by requiring both long and short positions to be disclosed. However, a recent update suggests that some large hedge funds and specific entities may receive exemptions, reducing the transparency that investors were hoping for. While the original rule aimed to bring full clarity, it now appears to be a modified version, limiting the insights that investors can gain into institutional short-selling activities. Short interest in SoFi remains substantial. Today alone, short sellers returned 296,000 shares, with the overall short interest standing at 12.24% of the free float. This equates to 131.78 million shares being shorted. The cost to borrow these shares averaged 0.59% with a minimum rate of 0.54%. Interestingly, a particular broker that was previously pushing aggressive short-selling strategies appears to have stepped back for the time being. Whether this signals a broader trend remains to be seen. Looking at the options market, SoFi saw $12 million in call options and $41 million in put options traded today. Notably, 46% of the day's options activity leaned towards bullish sentiment. A standout trade occurred between 11:45 and 11:50 a.m., where $158,000 in call option premiums were placed. Digging into the details, transactions show a mix of bullish and bearish strategies. For instance, some traders sold $13 put options, an optimistic move suggesting confidence in SoFi's price stability. Meanwhile, another transaction involved purchasing $30 put options, which suggests a bearish outlook. These multi-layered institutional strategies indicate mixed market sentiment, but overall, there seems to be more optimism than pessimism. The options data also suggests that traders anticipate SoFi stock reaching around $17.50 to $18 this week. However, bearish traders are positioning for a potential drop to around $14. With multiple key economic events coming up, including Powell's statements and CPI data, the market could move in either direction, making for an eventful week. High-value transactions above $100,000 in the secondary market have been increasing, indicating renewed activity. However, despite some institutional buying, there has also been considerable selling pressure. Algorithmic trading seems to have contributed significantly to the recent buying activity, while some large investors appear to be offloading shares. Market-wide uncertainty about upcoming economic reports may be driving some of this selling pressure. From a technical perspective, SoFi's stock closed at $15.13, just above the key support level of $15.12. This level will be critical in determining short-term price movements. If the stock maintains support, it could continue its upward trend. Below this, the next support is around $14.70. On the resistance side, the next major target is $15.53. Breaking above this level could signal further gains in the coming sessions. Analyzing the moving averages, the 50-day moving average sits at $15.78, which serves as a key resistance level. Fortunately, SoFi managed to close above the 50-day exponential moving average, suggesting a potential push higher. However, short-term targets of $15.40 and $15.78 will need to be cleared for sustained momentum. The stochastic RSI indicates that SoFi is currently in an oversold position. If Powell's remarks hint at possible rate cuts in the near future, the market might react positively, providing a boost to stocks like SoFi. The Federal Reserve's next policy meeting is set for March 19th, and current market projections suggest no significant rate changes. However, any unexpected statements from Powell could shift sentiment quickly. Investors will be closely analyzing his wording for hints about future monetary policy. As for analyst ratings, there haven't been any new updates as of today. The latest available rating remains a bearish one, with Compass Point setting a $6 price target. However, ratings like these don't always reflect broader market sentiment, and institutional buying suggests that investors see more upside potential. So what are your thoughts on SoFi's recent performance? Did you buy or sell today? Are you considering options trades? Personally, I haven't made any moves on SoFi in the past week, but I'm watching closely. Once Powell's comments and CPI data are released, it may present opportunities for new trades, such as selling puts, buying calls, or even selling covered calls, depending on the market reaction. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.